Hello boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the Rustyscale show. My name is Chris Veja and I'm glad to be back on the most enthusiastic scale modeling channel on YouTube. Yeah, it's so easy. In today's video, we're gonna check out the finished model of the P38 Lightning in 1/72 scale, which I did for an Instagram group build. It was hosted by @Sprucutter Models and it was my first attempt with the Alclad Metal colors. And I will also tell you a little bit about the varnish that you should use to seal and protect your work. So you need to seal as soon as the paint has dried. When you spray it on your model, you should seal it. I didn't do that, you should really do that. So I will talk about that, and of course we will have a look at the slideshow. I cut together some photos, throw a bead under it, and we will check out the slideshow. I will show it to you, and after that we will watch it together and I will react to it, alright? Just make a reaction to my own slideshow. So let's start. I want to show you everything, but before we take off, I need you to fasten your seatbelts, please. Alright, so I wanted to show you this easy assembly kit and what does that exactly mean compared to a normal kit, which would be a non-easy assembly kit, or I don't know. Here it is, that's the layout I did. Here's the box, you can see the box, Hobby Boss Easy Assembly Authentic Kit. So it's authentic, alright? It's not just some copy. So this piece comes in one, and that is the underside, which will be connected to this part here. So yeah, this is like, that's why it's called an easy assembly kit. So only 2 sprues left besides this and the canopy sprue. There's not that many parts, so I knew that yeah, I could make it in 1 month with this kit. And another question that was left over from the first episode of the P38, which I will link up here again in 3, 2, 1 now, was did I made it before the group build ended? And the answer is yes. Yes, I did it. Of course I did it. Yeah, of course I did it. You don't believe me? Of course you don't believe me. So here's the proof. So here's my Twitter, and you see the post from the date I just mentioned. It says, yesterday at 22:37 my P38 Lightning was officially finished. So 1 day prior to the end of the group build. And this is another post I did, just submitted this picture for the Lightning 2K Chibi in the category out of the box. I would not have chosen the P38 for myself, to be honest, but meanwhile I started loving it as the genius aircraft it is. I learned a lot about the plane, and during this build I'm really thankful. Now we changed to Instagram just to have a double proof. Just a few hours before the group build ends, I could submit my pic of the finished build, not this pic. I'm very glad I could make it in time. It's an honor to be part of it. A very cool group build with so many crazy builds. Unbelievable. You see, I did make it. It's unbelievable I did it. Yeah, and no, I didn't win any prize. But that's okay. I'm completely fine. I was completely fine with that, because it wouldn't be right if I would win a prize, because there were other scale modelers. They did like P38 Tamiya kits in 1/48 scale, and they were going crazy, you know. And me with this Hobby Boss Easy Assembly kit, I mean, come on, you can't compare this. Hold on. Okay, so I want to tell you about the varnish that I was using to protect and seal that Alclad Metal paint finish. And that's a thing, it's very delicate, you know. These, I mean, especially like the airframe aluminum, which gives a real mirror finish. It's so fragile, bro. It's so fragile that now I would really like straight, as soon as that paint has dried, I would seal it with the varnish. And I was breaking my head, like what varnish could I use? Because I had acrylic gloss varnish, I had enamel gloss varnish, but I knew that any of them could match with the super gloss of the airframe aluminum. Because I mean, they are less shiny than the airframe aluminum. So if I put it on, it would just destroy that mirror finish. And then suddenly I had an idea. So this is the varnish I came up with. It was this one here. It was a Montana Gold clear glossy varnish. A very small letters printed on glossy gold, so it's not easy to read. But somewhere here it says, high covering, quick drying, special lacquer. So the Alclad Metal paints are lacquer paints, and this is lacquer too. So I use this. Let me show you. This is a picture I took just right after spraying it with this Montana Gold clear lac glossy. Okay, it provided that mirror finish quite good. It's not perfect. I know it's not perfect. Right now I would use another product. I would use this one, polyurethane. This one, polyurethane. I don't know. Polyurethane gloss varnish from Vallejo. Okay, so now I talked a lot about the varnish, the group build, I showed you some photos, and now it's time to check out the finished scale model of the P38 Lightning I did in 1/72 scale. So we're gonna have a look at the slideshow, I will show it to you, and after that we will watch it together and react to it, alright?